There's been snatching. They are seizing people's cars nowadays at Asambabi. And the owner he was telling me that the owner was telling that he should close by 10 p.m. And I have been thinking and trying to decode or unravel what NBC seeks to achieve for the country Ghana, right? And from your initial, what do you call it? Is it the prelude or what name? What should I
Yeah.
call it? Yeah,
Prelude is okay. Preamble
I
is
have
fine.
been, yeah, preamble. I've been able to deduce one or two things, but I don't know. I may perceive me what NDC and then omo pese omo ye. I know say bibia omo ye biano because the omo ye biano it is strange, right? It's
Yeah.
so radical. Inti you who say there is a big agenda, but senior, I don't know how to
The
I
end the
mean,
end the
yes,
end game of
what
it,
do
yeah.
they seek to achieve for Ghana? Because senior o kasano bibia eko say Ghana mumuna eko eba beko oseyemu,
Yeah.
right? This
Yeah.
that is seeking to destroy the country.
Yeah.
Because me when he say and yes sɛ wopɛ sɛ wowia ɔman no anaa wonya biribi from ɔman no hɔ koraa no a I don't think sɛ wɔ sɛ woyɛ no sɛ wopɛ sɛ at the end no wopɛ sɛ wosɛ ɔman no anaasɛ you want to destroy the country anaasɛ ɔman no bɛkɔ ɔhaw mu nti
But
mente
mommy,
ɔhase.
do you know why they would rather wish for that? It is
Why?
because when that happens, there won't be accountability. They are now aware, say, the way they are treating some of their Akufo-Addo appointees. If they don't take care and MPP comes to power 2029, it's going to be worse for them. So how do we prevent this? We prevent this through MPP not coming to power. How do we prevent MPP from not coming into power? Is by stopping elections. How do we stop elections? We can only stop elections when there is chaos.
Wow.
Yes, that is it. We can only
So
stop elections when there is a chaos. So they
nti
will rather
Joma,
put the nation into chaotic mode so that they not be held accountable for all these things they are doing.
Mahama tia ɔte hɔ nom no, all he's seeking is to plunge Ghana into chaos.
After they have gotten their money.
Hey, because I was going to say, I was going to plead with him, say, I'm saying this because my brother he drives somebody's car, and the person has been snatching. They are seizing people's cars nowadays at Asambabi. And he was telling me that the owner was telling that he should close by 10 p.m. And then this week, the owner said, no, close at 8 p.m. because I don't want anybody to snatch my car. And yes, and I was going to plead with him, saying, dear Panicho, say, unye bibi ama Ghana, wo dear Ghana yempeshe. You take the money, but keep our peace and security for us so that we will be able to live in an atmosphere of peace and security. Voice, some of us want to come home. Oh, we are tired of staying abroad. We want to come home and come and rest. Yeah,
Yeah.
boy, yeah, bra. Yes, ye pese ye befie ni ye babe home. But looking at Enyoma Elkosono, it is so disturbing. So how do you even say ye nya hwe mfiri wo nkyɛn koraa nso a yɛn sumdie kakra wagye ye light afiri yɛn nsam wagye we say ye ho ɛtɔ yɛn nkɔla mu kɔ school wagye afiri yɛn nsam yɛn health wagye afiri yɛn nsam yɛasomdue kakra nso so a yɛbɛnya na agya yɛde ahwɛ yɛ how far akɔ up and down aba no so no and also you want to compromise it. Because look at what is coming out of this galamsey, senior walking. And Crawford Makako militants abegu yen forest in the end. What is going to happen before our eyes near what is going on in northern Nigeria? What the Burkina Faso, as we speak right now, does not have control of about half of its country.
Yeah.
So look at Congo. So look at Cote d'Ivoire. Militancy gusu titi almost. The only country yetimi hold you the whole of the region. Everywhere is volatile. Ghana. It's not that the people themselves normal forcing or mabamu. They say they yen and ye tutu ye nani ya kwako for maba. Say you should come and destabilize our country. How? I had dream fitty. I've been so disturbed. She said, are disorganizing me. I was telling my husband, we have been so disorganized. Yeah, need that. Yeah, be. And if for 4 years, these people are going to stay in Omobetana or mine. So we don't know what the end will be. Voice. Yeah, nim. I had dream.
Yo, me that's mommy. All right, the aspiring. Good afternoon.
Patrick, good afternoon. The voice, the
Yes.
personal, it's been very, very sad for me. Like Mama Kai, I brought you over for Fran and when Nick crack, so over baby. What's an ahacha? You earned for home. Like, I didn't know how I was starving for a Ghanaian community until I stumbled on one in December, right? And like the Nehuni said, say anya bibia ye kro no ye meto Mahama within 4 years no obebo man say ye ka so we be man ase
Yeah.
yeah obebo man and we will have nothing to come home to and I hunte through home. You didn't mention this until I'm in person beko but I think some me aka ho asem kakra about the militants, and I'm like, okay, Senka Goldie, and Anka Mutua, fine. As I say, your security so should be compromised. Ghana, this is one thing that we can boast of. A peace. I quite remember me by a chrome half of four, and I was in orientation with another Ghanaian girl, and also Americans, they look down so Africans, right? So
Yeah.
this is even an African American lady who is like, I'm sorry. That was when Darfur was at its height, right?
Okay.
And I'm sorry, I'm sitting there looking at her like, why? Then she's like, oh, I'm sorry, South Africa, dear. That is all what all of you go through. And I'm like, okay, I didn't talk. Then we went to emergency preparedness, like in a gym. And right now, on 9/11, no, I'm a hallmark when it comes to emergency exits and any. And she was trying to describe how they felt. Say, yeah, yeah, but Yankee, because this is what we lived through, right? And I was so, yeah, like said, it was a kind of with this very snob attitude. Say, many girl, no dear, if you see free Africans, you're living through chaos and violence. It's Yankee, had during 9/11, and we will not feel that way. And see, oh yeah, and we proudly said Ghana was not like that. Right now, no, I feel like we are losing that status now. Ghana, we have no. So yes, in Cote d'Ivoire for more militant or more or Macron or Macu soldiers 4 and our soldiers neku 5. And right now they are in Western region because they are co-imported all my ba. So I'm about concession hobby. Where are we going to as Ghanaians? And I feel like the majority of Ghanaians net Ghana no. I don't know, so much the air slow. So they are still in like La La Land over the election or Mujidis or Mabano. I have no idea. So unima they be me besides say what can we do? Because I hate feeling like I'm helpless. Right now I think saying in a see how I bet letters I call these international agencies and the bodies, to let them know what is going on in Ghana. Because we
Definitely.
shouldn't we should not just sit back and let John Mahama. I don't think say he loves the country. Kawun ka say ECOWAS for Sahel group, when we know that Boko Haram was and then war in Burkina Faso, we should just open and let them come. I
My
think
voice, aspiring me, but are they still part of ECOWAS? Those people.
no,
No, they are the countries of the Sahel.
no.
Niger, Burkina, Mali, Sahel nations.
So why do we open? What is it? Because say you can't ECOWAS say ECOWAS countries no be me movie from the country to another place. That's omo nka ho a. I then no mu gina so say omo mrem.
Is the romance of our president with them?
I mean, I think he has a bigger plan, and that bigger plan is what you ended at. He has a bigger plan. And Ghana, John Mahama, yourself, and Yawodia. Wono Krano. I think that you just stumble upon politics. I know so I say if you're assemblyman, but will be out to me think for yourself there. I don't think it's a politics. And Ghana kunya no so no. And busunya kunya. It's not for you. Any NDC for dear. Yes, sir. I support demonstration. Most of the year. Any help be a meeting with the abua from the end. And
We'll coordinate and let you know.
yeah, I just like who say, and I keep running into this comment on social media. Say Ghana for I were outside and yet a key independence in this day no serious than Ghanaians at
Aspiring, are you there? Is it from my side or?
No,
I
it's
doubt.
not your side. I heard she went off abruptly. I don't know whether somebody came in here.
Okay,
So
maybe someone
maybe
called her.
yeah.
Okay, then let me hear Auntie Ness then. Aspiring, are you back?